Fetch AI has continued to see a bit of a breakdown move after getting rejected within our key area of resistance that lies between the 1.586 and the 1.537. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a bounce attempting to give us a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And on today's video, I will be discussing an ED12 structure that is playing out here on the charts, and also give you my next target areas that you need to watch out for. And above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, where I still expect that Fetch AI is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade, you can check out BitGet, where you can see that on sign up you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT, and all you need to provide for you to register an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number. Jumping back to the charts to now give you my analysis, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we started a very nice bounce to the upside and peaked in a wave 1. We saw a pullback in a wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally peaked in this ED12 count 5, completing a larger ED12 count 1. And after we peaked in this ED12 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in a larger ED12 count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this ED12 count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $1.22 and the 0.925, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. And this is an area that I'm expecting that Fetch AI is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours or maybe days, give us a low in this wave 2 before we can finally bounce to the upside in a larger ED12 count 3. And if that is the case, then I believe that whatever is playing out at the moment is a corrective structure in this wave 2, terming this as a wave A. Then we saw a bounce in a wave B, and finally I'm expecting one more new low in a wave C to fully maximize our minimum target area over here before we can finally see a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a larger ED12 count 3. And that means that the moment we manage to get into this area over here, I will consider to DCA into Fetch AI, expecting a massive bounce in this wave 3 in the next coming days. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price analysis, I believe that we saw our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside that peaked above the 3.479, completing the formation of this ED12 count 1. Then we started a bit of a short-term corrective structure in this ED12 count 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we are going to start that aggressive bounce to the upside in a larger ED12 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $6, which is a perfect 6x to the upside based on the current prices. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an ED12 count 5, possibly taking us to new all-time highs and giving us more than a 10x. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Fetch AI chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I hope to catch you on the next one.